Hello sir, we are from group 5. So for assignment 1, we have come up with a system called Secure Dental, and it is a dental appointment and patient record system. The purpose is to allow clinic staff to manage patients and appointments securely using SQL Server database security features. So I'm the first speaker. My name is Nurman Jamila Najwa. So this is the file of Secure Dental that I have uploaded in the GitHub. This is the list of the file, and here we have the README file of the Secure Dental details, which is mentioned about the recommended stack, the main features, the quick start with SQL Server and SSMS, the seed accounts that we use, the local MS SQL configuration, how to manage the database in SSMS, also the references and the project structure. So this is the project folder of our system. We have DB, docs, public, and also the SRC. So now I will show you the SRC of the server.js. So here if you can see, we are using the app.get, API users dentist, app.get API patient, app.post, API patients, and many more in our system. And here we can see that this file controls the API routes. So for example, the login uses API login, patient creation uses API patient, appointment creation uses the API appointments, and audit log use the API audits. Moving on to the SRC for the security.js. So from this line, from line 3 to 8, we can see that this is the role-based access control. So the admin has full access, receptionists can manage patients and appointments, dentists can view and manage treatment-related records, while auditor can only read the audit logs. Next, I will show you the database of the 00schema.sql. So from here, we have the table of the DBO app user, DBO.patient, DBO.appointment, DBO.audit log, and also the DBO security event. These are the main database tables, and the patient table stores sensitive data using encrypted columns such as NRIC, phone address, and also the treatment notes. That's all from me.
Hello, my name is Isaac and I will be demoing our secure dental application for you today. First, I open Command Prompt, and then I will want to move to the project folder and start the server. So this is the server is successfully connected, and we'll be running at this URL. So we'll go. So this is our login page for Secure Dental. All users will be able to log in with their staff email and password. In practice, this login form will be empty, but for now we will use a placeholder. I will log in as the receptionist role because this role is allowed to register patients and schedule appointments. So as you can see here, the patient the receptionist will be able to register patients with their by asking their credentials. Um, credentials, and the phone number, and their address. Address and any treatment notes like what they're here for or any allergies that the dentist should take note of. So when I press add patient, it will not be successful because all forms do input checking. Um, and we did not fill out the email correctly as stated here. Email format is invalid. So, so once I fill out the email correctly, we can then add the patient successfully into the patient directory. As you can see here, treatment notes are also not treatment notes will be restricted from the viewing for the receptionist. This is private information and only the dentist should be able to see. So when we make an appointment, we will only be able to choose from patients in the patient directory, and the dentist also can be from the database. We schedule for, let's say, 12:30. Schedule an appointment for the new patient for tomorrow for checkup and screening. And then we press schedule, which will then appear in our appointment table right here. The appointment module uses existing patient records and seeded dentist accounts. After scheduling, the appointment appears in the appointment table. We will also be able to cancel the appointment if the patient ever changes their mind or wants to reschedule for a different date. The status will then be changed to cancel. We can also delete patients from the patient directory directly, so that we not keep information in them for too long. Um, this proves that the system supports record management, not only record insertion. So now I will log out and go in as a different role. Mhm. Here I am logged in as the auditor. And as you can see, the auditor is not able to see the patients and appointment. They are both hidden from view, and the only thing the auditor is allowed to see is the actions and audits of people who are using the system. So the receptionist, when we insert, update, and delete appointments or patients, and but also for dentists who use the system as well. Okay. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, so for the next part, um, I am going to show the demonstration for this system. So first, I am going to show the login and in the second. So here we can see the 01 security file. The system creates three separate SQL Server logins, which are dental app for the main application, dental auditor for the auditor role, and dental read-only for read-only access. So this supports the least privilege principle because the application does not use an admin database account. Next, I am going to show you the grant. The application login dental access now can only receive permission to use safe views and stored procedures. It is not given any direct access to the protected patient-based data. So this means that even if an attacker compromises the application, they cannot directly read or modify the patient table. For the next part, we are going to see encryption. So this is encrypt by passphrase. We have another one called encrypt by passphrase. So in this one, sensitive patient data such as AC, identification number, phone number, address, and treatment notes are encrypted before being stored in the database. This means that even if someone gains direct database access, the data appears as unreadable binary values. And next, we are going to see create patient procedure. So this is the start procedure for create patient. So before allowing any patient to be created, the procedure is current user role. If the role is not admin, dentist, or receptionist, it throws a permission deny error. This one shows that the security is enforced not only in the front end but also at the database layer itself. Last part is audit trigger. So for this part, the trigger automatically runs after every insert, update, or delete on the patient table. And it reports the action into the audit log, including who performed it and when. So this can help um, check for accountability because all changes can be traced back to a specific user. And lastly, I am going to show the security test result. Okay, this is 03 file. This one I already execute the file. but as you can see, as I expected, the dental app cannot read the video patient data directly. So this thus proves two things. First is the application database user cannot directly read the patient table. And second, the SQL injection test does not drop the patient table because the system uses parameterized queries and stored procedures. That's all for my part.
So in conclusion, Secure Dental meets the assignment objective by implementing a working SQL-based system with authentication, patient and appointment management, role-based access control, encryption, audit logging, stored procedures, and least privileged database access. That's all from us. Thank you.